Welcome back. Today we're starting a new series, $100 Trading Challenge. My inspiration is my friend who gave me $100. He wanted to see what I could do with the $100 in day trading. So I researched the best method to trade with under $100. First, I wanted to put it into a real account and just take small trades, but I learned that I can't trade NAS 100 Nasdaq with an account that small. So instead, next best option, buy a challenge account for under $100. The highest one I could find under 100 is $75 on one of one, the $6,000 account right here. The rules are I need to make 480 to pass it. And if I lose total 360, then I lose the account. So basically, make 380, make 480, can't lose 360. That's the goal. The rules I set for myself are 1% is my risk management. So I'm only risking 1% of the total losses, which is $5. My stop loss will be at $5 every time. So I can only lose maximum of $5 per trade. My risk to reward is 1 to anything greater than 1. That means I need a potential profit of anything greater than $5 per trade. Today's bias is bearish, and that's my personal bias because I see all these new day opening gaps beneath price. So I know those are strong magnets for price where it likes to draw to. And for example, right here, look what we got here. A break of structure, displacement. We're trading down at the bottom half of this new day opening gap. See if I can find a retracement. Then I can target any of these lows. Those are my take profits, potentially. I saw these similar highs get swept, these equal highs. I saw these equal highs get swept. I saw these aren't really equal highs actually. Since the second one's higher than the first one, it doesn't count. But regardless, these highs all get swept. This high even got swept. Didn't quite get that one. But it looks like we're dropping. These are ICT concepts. I'm studying his playlist right now, his 2024 mentorship. ICT on YouTube, the Inner Circle Trader. I recommend watching him. I've learned a lot from him. I'm still new to his videos, but he's already completely changed my trading strategy, and it's a lot better now. It's a lot more accurate. So we got break of structure. Here we have our fair value gap. Let me draw it out. Fair value is right here. See what we do with that. If not, we got another one above it. One right here. So let's see what price wants to do. Look at that. The body's closing beneath halfway point. That's a good sign for a short. On this candle close, I would take an entry. My stop loss above that. My take profit. Man, if it would load. Take profit. Let's take profit 1. Now I said I only risk $5, but it's already moved without us. And this is the lowest position size that I can set. Lowest one I can set. So I'm gonna take that. Like I said, this is my first day on this challenge with this $100 challenge, so I didn't realize the reality of it. how I might not be able to get a $5 stop loss because I can only do a share size. My minimum share size needs to be 0.01. That's just the rules for the application that I'm using. But I'm learning as I'm going. So yep, this is take profit one. This is a 1.1 risk to reward ratio. So that meets my requirements. I'm risking 34 to make 35 potentially. Yeah, and we're in. We entered right here. So let's see what happens. It's good to keep track of how you feel during the trade so that you can learn from it, learn from your emotions and everything, learn how to control them and when your emotions were right and when they were wrong. This is all market experience that you're going to gain so you can take better trades next time. And it just builds up over time the more you do it. So for example, when I entered when price was down here and then price jumped all the way back here. Made me feel a little bit of anxiety, like I felt a little anxiety in my chest, like damn, it's already coming back up. But you gotta remind yourself, like you had your plan going into it, you're sticking to your plan. Now you just gotta let it play out, see what happens. You're in it now. So we have a fair value gap right here. Completely shredded through that. Still got 45 seconds though on this candle, so. And I'm gonna leave my take profit there. I'm not gonna move it or anything. There's potential for it to come all the way down here or even down here. But I'm gonna stick to my 1 to 1.1 ratio. It's my first trade on this account and let's just see how it goes. Coming all the way down to my take profit right here. It's halfway there now. Here we go. Yeah, so for example, talking about my emotions, right now I'm feeling anxiety because I'm halfway to my take profit. And I'm like, damn, I could just take profit right now. Just take that. But it's not about that. It's not about the money. It's about sticking to your plan, seeing if your plan worked. If not, figuring out what you did wrong, what you could have done better. So I'm going to just leave it. I'm not going to touch it. What I could do is move my stop loss up to break even. But there's a fair value gap right here, which could potentially hit before coming back down. So I'm not going to do that. That last little bit towards your take profit, that's when you start to feel that anxiety. At least me personally, it's like, damn, it's right there. Could just close it, but like I said, see how it plays out. Can't celebrate till it's over. Gotta stay locked in. Don't let your emotions take control. Staying locked in. Be real close to it now. Let's see what it's trying to do. Starting to reverse back up now. We have a fair value gap right here. A lot of displacement that formed. Let's see what it wants to do with that. We respect that fair value gap. Here we go. Here we go. I mean, that touched it. I don't know why it didn't. There we go. Close my trade. Fuck yeah. That feels good. That feels good. So that's day one of the $100 trading challenge. Our trade was a success. Here we'll see it. We got $36 profit right there. Hell yeah. And look at that. Hit the second take profit that I had said it could potentially hit. And we got a third one down here, which I feel like it'll hit as well. But we're happy with what we got. We predicted our trade, and it went perfectly. Like, damn near perfect. We weren't in very much drawdown at all. Went to our take profit in how many candles? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minute trade. Not bad. Not bad. 7 minute, 1.1 risk to reward ratio. I could have been a little more ambitious, but it's only day one, so we're going to keep growing from here. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.